Hey crew, welcome to Barcelona. Today we are doing one of my favorite things, which is to have no plans and just go walk around and check out the city and just kind of go where the day leads you. We're headed down to a little park area. I think there's some paddle boats you can rent down there. I don't know if we're going to do that or not, but it should be a nice afternoon. Oh, it's so good. Jarl, what's this called?
That's called triangle de chocolate. They're triangles of chocolate. I mean, which it really is.
It's awesome.
Really good stuff. I love it.
So we just got to this little pond, and it's not paddle boats that you rent. It's like rowboats. So it's like straight out of Nicholas Sparks. We're headed down to the beach now to get some tapas. See the sunset. Be a nice little end of the day. Ever since I started this vlog, I feel like I've been trying to constantly go do stuff, and it's been really nice today to just like go out with the crew and just hang out and chill out, not have any expectations, and it's really like one of my favorite ways to spend the day over here. I love doing the adventurous stuff, but I love just being with people more. So that's it. We're gonna go have some tapas and watch the sunset here. Man, this has just been an awesome day. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next week.